Chinmoy. I'm from Subsagar, Assam. I did my bachelor's in computer application from Dehingia University. And after that, for my further studies, I did my master's, and I'm currently doing my master's in Dehingia University itself. While I was doing my master's, I got a keen interest in web technologies and development. So I wanted to learn more about these technologies. So I enrolled myself in the 10x Academy. I had a friend who was also enrolled in the 10x Academy. So he referred me this is a great academy, you should join it if you want to learn more about web technologies and all. So I asked him about all the details. I researched about the 10x Academy and I find it quite intriguing and it was great. So I enrolled myself in the 10x Academy. I'd say I was not that great in the DSA section. So they provide us every day with new DSA problems and all, which I practiced every day. So so that increased my confidence in DSA. And also they regularly organizes 1-to-1 mentoring and group mentoring. So which helped me to build up my confidence. I was not quite that confident to speak up before joining the 10x Academy. So they have improved a lot in my soft skills also. So the mock interviews were a real life scenarios. Even though we do all the things 1-to-1 mentoring and group mentoring, but we won't get the feel of a real interview. So these mock interviews gives us the feel we are sitting on an interview. So we get all the situations. So it helped me I am sitting in real life interview. So when I did my first interview, I was quite confident. I was able to confidently answer all the questions. Okay, so I have done a lot of projects in here, but my favorite one was the Instagram clone. So in there we can share photos and all, but as I learned more and more into that React and Express, I used to add whatever I learned into that project. So basically I'm still working on that project. Whenever I learn something new, I try to implement on that project. So I would say frankly all the instructors were great, but I would say Arvind sir was great because he taught us in array module. He explained all the basics and everything very clearly, with diagrams, and also he was my favorite. Since the 10x Academy organizes 1-to-1 mentoring and group mentoring, so we have to speak up in there to gain our confidence. So while speaking regularly with others and interacting with new people, help me to gain confidence. After completing 1 month, it felt great actually. They have taught many things from the basics. So I was able to clear all my bases, which I would say was helpful for my career. So I'd say it was pretty great because all those mock interviews and 1-to-1 mentoring, it helped me a lot. And also the operational teams and all respond very quickly. So yeah, it was a great experience.